Hello everybody, I have this rotisserie cooker for you guys, and this thing is awesome. It is very heavy duty, like you guys can see. You can definitely put it, like on terrain that's a little bit off. Like I put it on some rocks when I use it. So overall, it's very good quality. It holds like, I think almost 140 pounds, I think 138 pounds, which is crazy. It was really easy to put together. The instructions were really, really nice. It does have 3 different tiers that you guys can use if you do need it closer to the fire. Basically, you can put it on here, but you can also, lock the legs up here, which is really, really nice. And you guys can move these just by moving this. You can slide them wherever you need to go. So it is adjustable, which is really nice. And right here, you just turn it on just like this. And there you go, spins, very powerful, works great. And it does have quite a short cord, like you guys can see. So I would recommend getting an extension cord if you're gonna be running it out, like I have my fire pit over there. So yeah, but overall, I really like the quality of it. It's really strong, holds a lot of weight, and overall it's been working out great for me. Definitely check it out.